This conference will now be recorded.
So many of you use Macola with a different WMS or warehouse management platform. Wisys did not come out with theirs before we got a separate warehouse management system, so we are constantly struggling with having differences between WMS bins and the Macola bins. And I figured it's a good video to show how you can use Wisys Business Objects to actually do the Q and B transactions, which are very time consuming in Macola with Wisys automatically. So first thing I created is basically just a SSRS report that's going to indicate all of the differences between Macola bin and what we think bins should be in the WMS. And the report is essentially here. Basically just says, am I doing a Q or a B? The item, the location, or bin in this case, and location is just repeated. And then the suggested adjustment. And those are the 4 columns that I'm going to need in the web page to process. And basically all we do, we would basically take this to Excel, come into this page, choose the file, put in a note, and hit submit. And what that will do is it will go down through 4,398 records in 9 minutes, which is really a powerful, very, very powerful way to do a lot of transactions using Wisys objects. So for some of you that know code, the code is actually pretty clean. Wisys has a lot of good examples online on how to do a queue transaction, so I'm just going to focus on that. So my code will read in an Excel file and basically decide if it's doing a Q or a B, and just call a B transaction or a Q transaction. And basically the Q transaction just needs an item, Macola username, quantity you want to do, location, and then any comment, and it will process that, and then actually Wisys will deliver the full spectrum of comments, and you'll be able to tell it if you run inventory transactions by item report. You'll be able to tell actually who did it, what the comment was, and the reason. Very, very powerful and very cool stuff.